Here we are at 17 Louders Lane. Beautiful multi-level home. This is the entry. Great closet for coats. And if we continue upstairs, first level. It's beautiful and spacious. Gorgeous kitchen. Induction stove. Tiled backsplash. Lots of counter space. Huge kitchen island with seating for at least 4, if not 6 people. A lovely spacious living room. Space is just great for entertaining. An open dining space. This is the great room or den with high ceilings. Could be a family room. This leads out to the deck in the yard. And as you go down the hall, first bedroom, smaller of the bedrooms. It's one of the kids' bedrooms. Good closet space. Next we have the master bedroom. This has a king-size bed. This is quite a spacious room. And one more bedroom. Again, a very spacious bedroom. And lastly, up here, the bathroom. Tub, shower, double sink, nicely tiled floor. This is all new. And then if we continue on to the lower level, we go back to where we first came in. And we have another full bath. This has been recently done over. Very, very nicely done. Good vanity. Separate stall shower. And this area is part kitchen, laundry, little gym area, and another bedroom, guest room. This could be a whole nanny space, whatever you'd like.